Hi, my name's Bob from Stour Valley Systems, and what I've got to show you today is a replacement LCD screen for the AGIE series of CNC machines. And this display and this kit is what's used to replace the old CRT from the original AGIE machines. So if you've got a CRT which is the screen is completely faded or has failed completely, instead of having the old CRT replaced and it would probably fail in a year or two's time again, my advice would be to go for a replacement modern CRT which is much more power efficient and a lovely crisp bright display that your operators will really enjoy. This particular model here is the LCD 12-0031 from Tubis, and it is used to replace the CRT monitor from the AGIE C, the AGIE T, the C Cut, the CD, the CF, the Evolution 3, the AGIE Evolution 3, and the AGIE D100. Actually, this is going to be installed in a D100 machine, this particular one. So what you get with the, let's call it a kit, is the display itself. So a beautifully engineered LCD display which comes from Tubis in Germany. Tubis manufacture, design and develop their own monitors. They're built in Germany, they're tested in Germany, and I get all my support from the guys in Germany there. From the UK, you're purchasing these items from Stour Valley Systems, us at Stour Valley Systems, and we provide the support for the units here in the UK. We're an official dealer for Tubis in the UK here. So yeah, so what you get is the display itself, with a connection on the back for your video cable, the power cable, and an earth connection, and 3 buttons which are used for making any adjustment of the screen via an on-screen display menu which appears on the screen when it's powered up. So what you need to do is obviously remove your old CRT, the old cathode ray tube that's in the in your existing machine. So you open up the front door, disconnect the power, and remove the old video cable from the old CRT, and then you're going to install this in place of it. It comes with its own mounting brackets which are really easy to install. On the sides of the unit there are 2 screw holes where you fit these beautiful little engineered thumb screws through the sides of the mounting bracket and into the display here. I'll do that in a second to show you that. And then you install the video cable which connects onto the back of the display here. You'll see it's marked X2 at one end, and X2 is the connector that goes in the display itself, and the other end is marked X1, and that goes in the controller, the video card that's in the AGIE machine itself. So you remove the old video cable, the original video cable, and you install this video cable instead of it. And then you'd connect the power into the the IEC socket here, or kettle connector as some people call it. And typically on the AGIE machines you'll have a kettle connector already in the machine, so you just reuse that that existing kettle connector. If for any reason that kettle connector or power connector is damaged, or is not this type, then we provide a kettle connector which you can wire up to the power on your machine. This just unscrews and it's just like wiring up a 3-pin plug. And then you just turn the machine on like you normally would, power up. The screen itself will automatically detect the screen and come up as per normal. And all the syncing is done automatically for you. The only adjustments you may need to do is the positioning of the screen, especially if you've got soft buttons at the bottom. You may have to make some horizontal and slight vertical adjustments, which you do via the on-screen display. And again, using these 3 buttons here. The mode button, which cycles through the various modes on the screen, and then the plus and minus button to make the actual adjustments. It's all really simple, and it's literally a plug and play solution to replace your old CRT. So I'll just put the mounting brackets on and show you what it's like together. So there you go, that's the display mounted on its mounting brackets. Very simple to do. You've got the 2 screws this side and the 2 screws the other side, and these give you vertical adjustment of the display once you've got it mounted into your machine itself. And believe me, that's very handy to have this adjustment. A lot of the other replacement LCDs on the market are in a fixed mounting bracket, and they give no adjustment. And believe it or not, a lot of the machines out there are not all built to the same standard, so they often require some adjustments to get them nicely lined up in the machine itself. So having this adjustment here is extremely valuable. And then you've got the mounting holes, various mounting holes for mounting it actually in the system itself. And that is essentially it. It's, like I say, a real plug and play replacement solution with just 3 connections to make: your video cable connection, the power socket connection, and here we have an earth stud for connecting your earth wire. That should be on your existing machine. You just screw that onto the earth stud and power up as a normal display. Hope you enjoyed that, and hope you get a lot of pleasure out of your Tubis Stour Valley Systems replacement LCD monitors. Thank you.